Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Dear viewers, in front of me iMac A2116, and now I'm going to show you how to change the wallpapers on this device. To change the wallpapers, you need to firstly click using the right button on your wallpaper and click Change Wallpaper. Wait a while and settings application will be opened, and here you will see the gallery of standard pre-installed wallpapers, and here you can choose different types of wallpapers: dynamic, static, video wallpapers, and other. You can even choose just the solid color to your back screen, but of course we can choose our own image and use it like the background. To do that, you just need to download from the internet an image and then just click on this image. Of course, you need to check the resolution. Resolutions must be 4K and better, and you need to click on the right button on this image, and you will see the last item in this menu: Set Desktop Picture. Click on it, wait a while, and cool, that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.